Hi, my name is Maiken. I am your camp cook.
My name is Jannike. I'm the assistant cook.
Today we are going to make one of camp's favorite desserts, Oreo Smush. We're going to take the vanilla pudding, dump it in the bowl, dump in your milk, and mix. While I am mixing the pudding, Jannike is going to smash up a bunch of Oreos. Take a few minutes, so just keep stirring. Now your pudding will start to thicken up, so it's not quite as runny as it was. You can still keep stirring for a few more minutes because we want it nice and thick before we add in the Cool Whip. Okay, so when you smush up the Oreos, you do want them in small chunks, so that's going to be good. You can always smash them up in smaller if you want. You don't have to make them super duper small. You want to be able to eat Oreos. Alright, now that Jannike's taken over stirring for me, let's go ahead and add in Cool Whip, and Jannike will keep stirring. You want to make sure it gets real stirred up nice and good. Let's go ahead and use a spatula so we can get all the pudding up from the bottom. You can see there's still yellow stuff that needs to be mixed in. Turn the bowl a little bit. Get it all stirred in. Okay, now what we can do is add in the Oreos. Mix it all in there. At this point, you can eat it right now if you want, or you can stick it in the refrigerator for about a half hour to let it set for just a little bit so it's not quite so runny. Add some more Oreos on top. All right, and there you have it, Camp's Oreo Smush. Enjoy.